I was once truth from the lies, severed all my ties, was dressed in white, I rest in wine, just to lose the time, and let the memories burn away, burn into the clouds. So crucify me, yeah. Oh, you who hear me, oh, you who know me, yeah, crucify me, oh, yeah. Oh, you who see me, oh, you who say you love me, you say yeah. Can I get it on top or something? Say yeah. Come on and say yeah. Yeah, just say yeah. A man of 12 tribes, I need no disguise, so I do despise the one who came to save you, the Savior, dressed in white, entangled in the vine. So place your sin into His hands, let it seep into the sand, and crucify me, yeah. Oh, you who see me, oh, you who know me, crucify me, oh, yeah. Oh, you who hear me, oh, you who say you love me, say yeah. Just say yeah. It's almost done. Don't sleep on me. Come on and say yeah. Yeah, just say yeah. Thank you guys.
Y'all good? Y'all enjoyed that? Yeah! Man, that song with me every time. I was at work this week, just singing in my head. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna get all the spoken word real quick. Hope y'all enjoy it. Street lights. Who knew that street lights play angels in these streets while raging displaced anger? Blind adolescent eyes seeing God's messengers, guns gripped to replace the touch of missed fathers. Who knew? Cause your presence would mean so much. From one extreme to another, destruction, jealous of foundation, cracking the walls of innocence, robbing the seed of trust before it manifests. Hope becomes honest that they can't reach. Teach them how to forget what pain looks and feels like. Let them be blind to not recognize the body shaping the seats, coarse and ugly. Let numbness be laid over their bruised skin so they will not feel destruction, smiling over their pores. These kids learn at a young age where the means go against the unmovable force, impeding false promises, what they could be in their dream nightmares. Nightmares punishing them in their sleep and question who the hell taught you how to dream from your nearest boogeyman. These streets, irons used to heat up and flatten their increase attention. Teacher, only time you on point is with a weapon, saying it to these devil-ball souls. These streets, trying to incarcerate whatever God has left in these damaged avenues. New beginnings seem too distant in time to actually touch, but broken hands don't have the energy to reach out for much. Fingertips become entrepreneurs with drugs in hand, so these dealers put these kids on blocks like post moves. So they post. Well, how do you become what you destined to become? Standing still. You can't teach, will. Backbone configured and frailest of lost hope. These shoulders are not used for tears, but to carry the burdens they've been programmed to. I work with troubled youth 4 days out of the week, and the story seems to come more alive on my off days.
All right, this is another one to God. Oh,